Gucci load from in a Netherlands. Where the grabbers think like Ali get up on. A boy shoulda drop, but the beretta jam.
Hi, sir. Life imitates art or art imitates life. Right now, we don't know. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. And breaking news. News headlines all across Jamaica are saying that Dexter Daps has been arrested. I saw a kind of shaky video from the Gleaner on Instagram, and a whole bunch of people outside are screaming, "We want Dexter," as he was led away in handcuffs, which had me first of all thinking there's no social distancing going on there. Our COVID-19 now keep again. The whole crowd was out, right? And they were defending Dexter, free him, and all these things. I look a little bit further and I saw that the Observer out of Jamaica had actually printed with a picture of Dexter Daps, and the headline is saying Dexter Daps taken into police custody Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. And the article read, Kingston, Jamaica. Popular dancehall artist Louis Grandison, more popularly known as Dexter Daps, was taken into police custody Wednesday afternoon. Everybody has said, I wouldn't care Dexter gone for. It must be like some girl there yard a whole heap of girls at his house, cause you know he's a ladies man, the girl them love him and them thing there. Maybe through the whole lockdown thing I go on, you know, you're not supposed to be assembled in one place more than 10 at a maximum. And them I said Dexter probably have about 20 girl locked down in him yard and all these things. And you know them find out and go around and go mash up the party. Anyhow, the headline in the Observer and the story says, Head of the St. Andrew South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron, told Observer Online that Grandison, which is Dexter Daps, his real name is Louis Grandison, told Observer Online that Grandison was picked up in the Seaview Gardens community, which we all know is Dexter Daps ends them there. He was picked up around 3:30 p.m. today. Cameron said that Grandison's arrest is in connection with ongoing investigations into shootings and gang activities in southern St. Andrew area. A 14-second video had been circulating on social media with Grandison being escorted in handcuffs by police officers. And now the video that was circulating, you mostly see like people foot and leg on them, something there. I guess the video man did shaky and didn't really want to point the camera directly at Dexter Daps. I don't know. But in any event, we have a still pic of that event here. So he was arrested. The thing that I am looking at though, when the senior superintendent is saying that he is arrested because of some information through investigations into shootings, not shooting, you know, or a incident of a shooting, shootings and gang activities. I saw, boy, enough people are said, Dexter now pay attention and see what go on or what. Ninja Man, Vybz Kartel. That's what the people are saying. Some of the people are saying there are 5 comments over there, and Ring to the Top says, those who choose not to learn not to learn from their past are doomed to repeat it. Of course. RX says, Dexter, stop being a fool. Remember what happened to Ninja and Kartel. Leave certain things alone. Real friends would not encourage you to commit crime. You are trying to get out of the ghetto. Don't make so-called friends keep you in there and spoil up your career. Most of them are jealous. They want you in that grave or in prison with them. You can do better by yourself, Dexter. Ask Kartel. Friends are fake. Avoid them. I don't know about that, and I know that Sean Storm is a real loyal friend, because if it did up to Sean Storm alone, as far as him flipping and giving a fake testimony against Kartel, he could very well be free and be home. But as a friend, him say, you know what, me can't do that because in Augusta. You see me? So, but anyway, I understand what RX is trying to say. Dexter Daps a big star and people are wondering why him still run a Sea View. I see one comment where somebody said, boy, I'm have to go up the thing, you know, and start and move to somewhere else, go uptown and start flex like a star now. Sometimes the goal is to get out of and away from the ghetto before it swallows you up alive. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, other people have another perception that a lot of these artists, what they do is they make money through entertainment and then they take that money to further drug activities, arm their men, friends, gangs with guns and run drugs and all kind of something and become basically what is known as a don. You understand? Because he already has the fame and the popularity and he already has a steady stream of income. Because, you know, Dexter Daps stay booked out, but this is not Dexter Daps. I'm talking about the perception that is out there. I don't know if it's real and I can't say it's real. I remember somebody saying, SouFlo, majority of the artists, them, you say, a bad man them and they're surrounded by a bad man. Believe me when I tell you, I told the person, I don't believe that. I truly believe that a lot of these guys are just trying to do music. And that is all I know, cause I SouFLoTV now gonna speak on something where I don't know, right? Next thing I hear say me did I tell people say, but remember the story with Mr. G when Mr. G said Dexter send the gunman them after him, and we covered that and that was a couple of years ago. I know recently on Instagram Wally British was doing some talking about some domestic violence thing when a video was going around about a girl. You see the girl in the video get beat, choke, headbutt by her man. And Wally was talking about it, and Dexter had made some comments and made a video. And then what struck me in Wally British video though, when she said about she know them strengths, referring to Dexter Daps, and she's saying right now she attack and she don't feel too safe. She know she's not safe. Basically alluding that, you know, may I say a bad man them round a for them place. My wife got me the clip earlier, but for some reason I did not pull it up in this video. But I'll pull it up next time, I'm gonna see it. Anyway, Paddy 5 says Vybz, Kartel and Ninja Man found themselves facing a judge for gun-related crimes and they are now paying the price. Now it's Dexter Daps' turn to face the music for allegedly being involved in shootings and gang activities. This is more than one shooting, people. And this is ongoing activities, gang affairs, not just one incident. I'm just going off the wording of how it was said in the article. The person here, Paddy 5, says, I'm not here to judge. However, some of these dancehall DJs, them glorifies the gunmen and killing in their songs, and some of them fans end up living out the songs in realities. And that is why we have so many gangsters and gunmen roaming Jamaica, killing law-abiding citizens. Guest says, in keeping with the mindset of every Jack DJ in Jamaica. Well, people, I'm not going to speak on this one too much because the people are frustrated. Them say, look how Star and Glean and all these people mix up, and yet still at the end of the day, they could not even come forward with more details about the story. Well, I think enough is enough. I know there's an article also printed saying that he's being represented by Peter Champagne. If y'all remember one time they took Alkaline in, Alcadra for Peter Champagne. Peter Champagne is one of them lawyers there where him don't mess around. You understand? So if anything, his client is probably going to be walking sometime. Basically, he's a lawyer like this. From him show up and him say, listen, you're either going to charge him or you're going to let him go. If them say them are going to charge him, he jumps in and he files habeas corpus, which means charge or let go or come up with reason to charge and hold and all these other things. Basically, Peter Champagne is top of the line and a very aggressive lawyer when it comes to his clients. So Dexter has retained top of the line attorney at the moment, which he should, right? He's been doing a lot of shows. I'm sure he's not doing them for free. He's been getting paid. At least him can afford a good attorney. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one, because honestly, it don't look too good. Gang activities and shootings. And worse, when I was listening to the video, at the end of the video, you can hear a policeman say somebody dead. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it has anything to do with Dexter Daps being arrested, but it was said by one of the police officers in the video where Dexter Daps was arrested. I'm gonna play the video because, like I said, it doesn't really show him being arrested. Just a quick, like literally 1 second of him, which I already captured the still frame for, so I didn't need to show the video. Leave all your comments in the comment section below. Do you think a lot of these DJs are entertainers, singers, are actually also involved in other activities like street activities, gang activities, gun activities, or do you think that they're just trying to give dancehall, reggae artists, and music a bad name? And in Dexter Daps' case, do you know him to be a gangster, or you just know him to be just a singer who probably comes from an area that is hot and they want to case him up? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I could talk about this more, but as it stands right now, Dexter Daps has been arrested and he is in police custody, and it is due to ongoing investigations into gang activities and shootings, and them want to carry him in and question him based on all those things and their investigations. All me gonna say is, if their investigation led them to him, then this can't be nothing good. It's SouFLoTV. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.